STF FOREX HUB here. And as we promised, guys, that in our monthly mentorship program, that we'll be having an analysis on how we do a market, how we hit these entries, how you place your TPs, your stop losses, and how also you deal with you do your risk management. It's a very key topic that you need to know, so that you can be an effective trader. So this is what we'll be doing right now. And the good thing is we had analyzed this market, which is USDCAD. You can check you're on a live market. You're on a live market. And this is one of the trades that you have to hit a sell. So after you do your analysis, remember I told you that in all our analysis, both in derived.com, both in currencies, like currently now we're in currencies, that all our analysis are based on the daily chart, and then we hit those entries based on the 840. So we look for a structural pattern whereby you are looking for short opportunities in a market that continue to make new lows, and then we confirm the same momentum using we confirm with our indicative elements, and even on the H4 chart we do the same. Like after the close of this candle, although it's just the PPA that has just closed, so this is where you come and look for these short orders. So this is where we pick these selling opportunities. Like this one, I think we had planned to do this based on the account size. Remember again, I told you that when you are dealing with account sizes, you must be keen. What is your account size? Like an account size of something like $100. I told you in each and every account, you divide by 10,000 lots. That means standard lot, which is 10,000. Then you know which volume that is. Then you just still with the two trades on it. Like this account, if it is like an example, let's say it's 500, I would trigger this trade based on 0.05 volume. So what I do? I just hit that sell on this trade. So that is the first thing, and based on the account sizes, that's what you're supposed to do. Then after that, the next key thing you need to ask yourself is, where do you put your TP and stop losses? This is now you come to the daily chart. You check on the daily ATL values. Remember, I told you the daily ATL value is very important. When you're talking about ATL values, remember I told you that you check based on the average true rate. Average true rate. This is why you put based on the 200-day period. That means it is taking the high and the low of a candle for the last 200 days, and it sees the difference between the high and the low of a candle. If it's such a candle, the price here and here, then the price will check the difference. That's why then you look at the difference. So like an example here, it is 71 pips. That tells you the TP is 71 pips. So you can drag that one. You can check on your left side. You are at 57. You come all the way here to 71. That is how I'll place my TP. So there. Then stop loss, I'll take half of this. That means the TP I'm taking, the half of 71, which is 36. That would be my stop loss. So that I can have the risk reward ratio. That is, and based on my strategy also, I know if the trade hits half of my TP, half of my ATL value, I'm done. So that is where I am. So this is how I'll place my TP. So, and as simple as that. That's how I'll do my trade. And then after that, the next key thing I'll do is very simple. Then when I do that, I'll just come here and put on this chart like this. And then I'll post these on all our social medias, all our monthly mentorship programs. So this is what I'll do. I'll take this, and I'll save this trade, and this is what I'll post. As simple as that. So, but remember, we have not gone into the deep. We don't know how did we arrive to this trade. It's only that I had done my analysis based on my trading strategy earlier, so I know what I'm looking for. So this arrived trade that I can trade. All I can do right now, number one, is that I want to post it. The first thing I will do is I will post it on all our monthly mentorship programs, and then from there I'll do it live here. And then after that, we'll come back and see which target are we looking for in this trade, because that is another key important thing. So what to do is come to all like here on monthly mentorship. This way I'll put this trade. I'll post the trade here, and minutes. Then I want to press this trade. Only that I cannot be able to post it. Let's see whether you can where you can post it here. You can see that you can post it right away. Just a moment. You can post that trade. It is a USD CAD sell. So just post the chart. So you can be able to see number one that seems that maybe I didn't copy the trade. Let me copy the trade so that you don't have quite a significant difference on the entry before any other traders can do that. Oh, still copying the trade. Let me try and copy it once again. This trade, this is ECB, copy, copy the trade, and then I come here and post it here. Yeah, then this is USD CAD sell. You can see that as simple as that. After I do the analysis, then the next key thing I'll do is after I post that trade, I'll go then to the WhatsApp group. We also have another monthly mentorship here. This is USD CAD sell. Come and post it here. So you can check. Number one, you need to notice that I post what I trade. I post what I trade. Post what I trade. That is the trade. And then after that, when you see this chart, one of the things you need to note is that you need to come to this trade and you ask yourself, what are you looking for in this trade? Number one, you can check we have the price for the stop loss here, we have the stop loss here, we have the entry point, and we have the TP. But based on, I think you've been able to see, based on what ideology, why am I getting into this trade? That is the ideology that is making me to get into this trade. I think that is as simple as that. And then the next key thing, what are other probable targets, even if the trade does not hit my TP. One of the key thing is after the course of today candle, you can check you'll have what you call a bullish bar followed by a bearish bar. So this one will be like a bearish engulfing. In fact, right now it's a bearish outside bar. So that tells you it is after this retracement and this market playing around this point, tells you now the bears are back. They want to push the price further down. They want to push the price further down. You can check you have a very big momentum based on the ABS. And actually, you can check where our TPS is on the next major support level. But if the market especially clears this price point, that tells you now it's not your trade anymore, and you need to exit that trade. So that's how we do our trading. So the next key thing you need is what we call patience into this market. Patience simply means you can check it is based on the daily and 84 chart. That tells you every one candle on the daily chart close after every 24 hours. What happens is I always wait, like when I hit the entry today, I can give it the better part of today. If I don't hit the 1 TP, I can also give it the better part of tomorrow. Then if you can give it at least 50 to up to this 70 pips, 71 pips, I think I'll be done with that. So basically, that's how we do our trading. That's how we check on everything. So if you have an account of like $100, just make sure you're using just 0.1 volumes and put 2 trades in each trade. Then if you have something like 1,000, remember you're using 0.1 because you're dividing that with 10,000. How we arrived at that, we will continue with more mentorship. Even if you come to derek.com, again, make sure you're using the minimum volumes. Always check the minimum volumes. I'll show you how to check on those minimum volumes every time you're trading. That one is a video for another day. But for today, based on the currencies, that is how you are supposed to do. So from STF FOREX HUB, I hope today you've learned something. And from that, just continue to learn as you learn. Thank you, guys.